I'm doing service for repairing these part. Here's the stock one. And this is a new one right here. So if anyone has a scooter like this, I could change this whole part and replace it with a new one. So it's gonna cost you. You want me to do it if you're around in San Diego. So, or you're thinking about like shipping your scooter over here if you're from a different state or long distance, I could change this for you, but it's gonna cost you. It depends also. Depend on your shipping, everything like that. If you're close by, you live far away, like if you said, let's say you're in San Diego and you live in Los Angeles, probably I'm not sure, but this was a very hard process. It took like a couple hours to do this. So I'm gonna end the video, so just leave a comment. I'm really exhausted right now. I'm tired right now because I just finished it today. So